Absolutely fantastic. I mean, I've been teaching history myself for the last 30, 40 years, but what I saw today, I think Black History Walks is taking Black history onto new levels, open up new grounds. The people, the boat itself, the music, the information was absolutely first class, and I was proud to be a part of my culture, being on this boat. That everyone's got to come on an experience like this. Fantastic.
It was a beautiful day, very nice. We had the weather, the warmest day of the year, so yes, beautiful. Really enjoyed it.
I enjoyed the boat trip. I thought it was a wonderful experience, a wonderful way for us to learn our history. It's kind of live history, you know what I mean? Because we're sailing past buildings and stuff that we've probably sailed past or driven past or walked past 100 times, never knew the significance of that building.
I'm just blown away by the boat trip, I really am. I didn't understand that it was actually picking out all the historical contributions that our people had made along the river and what it all meant. I didn't understand that that's what was happening. People got what they wanted. It was a beautiful day, beautiful and sunny. So people had that. There was the river, there was a bit of drink at the bar, there was loads of information from SI. And the characters were amazing, so yeah, it was great. I would recommend it to anybody to come.
I've learned a lot of things about how people from my background have developed and improved London in general.
Getting to play Nana Ya Asantewaa, as I did, was extremely special because my name is Ya Asantewaa as well. It's Michelle Ya Asantewaa.
Things definitely stuck, you know, about the obelisks, about why all the names are along the wharf and what they meant, about the Hibbert family, which I didn't know, and the sugar and the ramen, which I knew of, but it just widened out my understanding.
Being on the river, actually, it kind of helps bring it to life. You know, when we sail past on our way to Deptford, and we sail past various wharfs, which were previously where they unloaded sugar and where they unloaded us. And it's the difference between hearing that information, say, in a classroom, and then being on the river and actually, you know, seeing the building. It kind of makes it a more real experience, because then you start to, as people I was with were like, yeah, because look, you can see the crane there, and you can see, even though it's now luxury apartments, you can visualize what it must have been like at that time.
You'd be crazy not to come to this tour. I think and to be honest with you, I'll be very straight. I don't think this is just a black tour. I think it's to be a tour open to everyone, and it is open to everyone, but I think schools should be investing in this, youth centres should be investing in this, different communities, whether you're Greek, Irish, black, white. I think there's so much information on this, because the only way to deal with racism is by defeating ignorance. And what we saw today was a manifestation of knowledge, wisdom and understanding that can actually bring people together and respect each other for what they've contributed to world society.